Here at Van Monkey, we sell, lease and rent vehicles, but more than that, we find the right fleet and finance solution for businesses, and as a result, we save our customers time and money. We've always been service-led, but we always start with the right solution for our customers.
The ethos of the whole company is about the customer being our number one priority and making sure that it's what they need rather than what they think they want. We put a lot of work into finding out a bit about their business and themselves, and looking at what their goals are to move forward, so that whatever we provide is perhaps going to be like a long-term solution. We
deal with integrity and trust first and foremost. At Van Monkey, we're so much more than just a vehicle provider. We now offer maintenance services, so we help reduce customers' life cost of owning a vehicle. We also offer vehicle movement, so we make sure we professionally hand over and deliver all of our vehicles. Most recently, we've introduced rental services, so we can bridge the gap with customers' vehicle off the road times, or vehicle lead times, or vehicle probation periods for members of staff, but we really can provide now an end-to-end solution for all of our customers.
With our in-house vehicle maintenance, we can look after our customers from the point of sale throughout the life of the vehicle.
Peace of mind really for the customer in its own right. The vehicle will be maintained to the highest standard alongside, and it's a one-stop shop.
Whether it's servicing, repairs, MOTs, we can do it all.
We deal with all sizes of businesses and even private individuals, and we love to put faces to names, so we like to be hands-on with all of our customers and really give them a great level of service.
Whether you're one company with one van or one car, or a multitude of vehicles, for instance, anything up to 500 to 600 in your fleet, we've dealt with in the past. No matter how big you are or how small you are, we treat everybody with the same sort of dignity and respect.
We aim to be a whole solution, so it's not just about the vehicle itself, but it's about what it can do for their business and how it can move their business forward and progress.
We've got so many customers now that have been with us from almost day one, and I think we've seen these other companies grow as well along the way. And companies that were perhaps only a couple of vans, perhaps when we first started, they've got fleets now as well, and it's great to be part of that.
We do what we do because we love helping our customers. Fleet and running costs of fleet are a huge part of a business's overhead these days, and we like to play our part in helping reduce those costs and overheads. The team here are geared around that first and foremost, to find the right solution for our customers.
We all want to make the customers happy, we're all a team. It's just a great atmosphere, and we can really help people in the way they need to be helped.
What sets Van Monkey apart in the market is our personal interaction with customers. We kind of insist on that from day one.
We want to put ourselves in our customers' shoes and make sure that we're doing what we'd want other people to treat us like.
And obviously Van Monkey, as again we've got the human side of the business where you deal with a Carl, a Simon, a Daryl, a Gemma, and I think that speaks volumes in itself.
We're not a hard sell company, we're not a transactional company. We like to get to know our customers and why they need us and where we fit into their business as a partnership.
We want long-standing partnerships where we can help one another.
You don't get automated services when you call. That's where I think that we differentiate from a lot of other businesses within the marketplace that we're in.
Whatever your vehicle needs, we'd love you to get in touch for a no-obligation phone call, and we'll make sure that we put you in touch with the right people to get the right advice and find the right solution for your business.
Whatever your vehicle needs, we're happy to help, so give us a call.